has been such an honour today to be here in Islamabad and seeing a new innovative partnership between the UK and Pakistan, resulting in a fantastic hospital being built. Novacare and the new hospital that they're producing being done in partnership with Imperial NHS Trust. To see economic growth happening right in front of your eyes, but we saw it here today. Not only that, we saw the strength of the partnership between the UK and Pakistan, creating a new hospital that will support the healthcare and the people in this country. I'm a very proud Trade Commissioner here in Islamabad today, and we can't wait to see what happens next.